Alright, what up, y'all? So, the mirrors are dry, so still got to sand out a couple spots. They got a little dirty, I guess, from the dry being on or whatever. But go ahead, wet sand these down one more time. Get that out, and I think this one was good. So, yeah, still a little dusty or whatever, a little dirty, but wet sand both of these. Prime them one more time, let that dry, and then it's gonna be time for the gloss black, and then we'll put the lens in and the LEDs and see what we got. Alright, so inside is painted. This is like 2 or 3 coats. Bring you on the light. But this is like 2 or 3 coats of gloss black on the inside. So now that that's done, wet sand this outside one more time, and then it'll be time to spray all of this with the same gloss black. So here we go. Alright, so I don't remember where I left off, but anyway, mirrors are painted. This is just like 3 or 4 coats of gloss black. This is caliper paint this time, actually, so a little bit tougher than the regular paint. Same price as these little small cans wherever I got them at. Yeah, same price as these little Perfect Match cans, just about, maybe a little bit more. But the paint is a lot thicker, and from my experience, it lasts a little bit longer. So, and it's glossier. So anyway, that's sprayed. This one, I got the piece in here. So this is black RTV holding it together. And once this kind of dries a little bit, I'm gonna clean up the edges of this stuff, so nothing shows through on this side. You can kind of see the overlap on here, but once I clean that up, then it'll be good, and it's gonna be dark in here outside when the lights are on, so you shouldn't see too much of this, but I'm gonna try to get all of it off. All right, so got the flash on this time. You can see this a little bit better, but black RTV all around all the edges. Like I said, I'm gonna clean out the inside. Once it dries a little bit, it'll be a little easier to scrape it out without leaving any residue. So all of that right there, you won't see that. But we're almost there. And like I said, still gotta put everything together and throw the LEDs in here, because I really haven't even tested how this is gonna light up. But it should be simple enough. I did a few before, so it shouldn't be too bad. But we'll let that dry, and go ahead and get this one put together. So yeah, had a little problem on this bottom side, but it's on the bottom, you'll never see it. But anyway, the parts that matter are good, which is the front, the top, and this part, which you will see when you're driving. So all of that's good. Now, time to get this side mounted. So I got the little lens mounted on both of them. Got it cleaned up pretty decent. I got this little switchback. Well, really it's just the amber side of the switchback, but I got that just laying in there. So we're gonna plug this up and see what we got. Alright, so we're back. So this is off, nothing in there. And this is what it would look like when it's on. So, not bad. Just gotta let this sit overnight, make sure it's sealed pretty good. Not sure if I'm gonna do something like a small layer or something on the edge on the outside or not, but I might. I'm not too sure just yet. But the light shines up real bright. The the little frosted vinyl on it scatters the light real good, so that's a plus. So shouldn't have an issue with getting it to do what I wanted to do. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the night though. And yeah, we'll see what it look like on the next one tomorrow.